How to convert videos into zip or RAR in Android phone. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type RAR. Now tap on install. Now go back to your home screen and open up your file manager. Now go to videos. Now select any videos you want to compress. Now tap on share. Now scroll to the right and tap on RAR. Now go back. Now you can select from RAR or zip. Select as you want to and tap on OK. You can also set your password from here and tap on OK. Now tap on OK to compress. So by following this simple step, you can convert videos into a zip or RAR file. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.